Hi, little artists! Today we're drawing one of the funniest and sweetest heroes from Huntrix, Derpy Tiger. With his big bright eyes and silly smile, he always brings happiness wherever he goes. And look, he's not alone. Pip, his tiny bird friend with the magical hat, is sitting right on his head. Together, they make the funniest little team. And today, we're bringing them to life on our page. Grab your pencils and follow my lines. Let's start drawing this cheerful duo. Remember, Derpy Tiger is special because he never tries to be perfect. He's silly, he's funny, and he's always himself. So let your lines flow freely. Don't worry about mistakes. Every line leads you to the next one. And when it's time to color, feel free to use any colors you love. Bright, pastel, soft, bold. Your imagination is the real magic. And we're done. Your Derpy Tiger and Pip look amazing. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like this video. It makes me super happy. And subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the other Huntrix heroes waiting for you. Check out the full Huntrix playlist for Zoe, Rumi, Mira, Genu, Abby, Baby Saja, Mystery Saja, and many more fun characters. See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye!